boy's back, man. As you can see, your boy is always happy. You know what I'm saying? But this video is gonna be another car show event. And you can see I got the car right behind me. Car running flawless. Doing what it's supposed to do. So got a couple shows we gotta go to on this episode of this vlog. So I'm gonna vlog this and take you along for the journey. And this time I thought about it before I actually attend to the event. So your boy's getting a little better, man. And also we gotta change your wheels, because probably, you know what I'm saying, we're probably gonna go to Mexico if we find any, you know what I'm saying, at this thing. But we gotta go prepared. So we're gonna put the media on today, get the car washed. You know what I'm saying? I pick the camera up and show you guys a little bit here and there, you know what I'm saying? For you guys, just be a bam, bam, bam. You know what I'm saying? Y'all gotta wait. I just put the necessary content that you guys can sit back and relax, man, and enjoy, you know what I'm saying? So, what we're gonna do, we're gonna jack the car up. Like I mentioned, put my Mickey on, and gonna be washing it real quick and heading to the car show, which is pretty close by me. It's about 20-minute drive, not a biggie. This car does like with no issues. So sit back, relax. Let's roll the intro real quick, and let's get to the content. You know the vibe. Let's go.
Smurf tune. Prestige Motor. Smurf built.
Yeah, boys. So, like I was saying, we might be taking the car to Mexico if we find any fish in the sea. Lately, you know what I'm saying, a lot of people been trying to see a little Mexico runs, you know what I'm saying? And we got a couple videos coming up real soon that I did some content on, you know what I'm saying? And it'll be coming soon. Yeah, boys, stay tuned. Like I said, I'm gonna try to give you guys every 2 days update with content, you know what I'm saying? So, enough of that. Let's keep us across. Cars stay together, and we actually get some good content for you guys if we go to Mexico. But no matter what, I'm gonna take you guys on a journey. Whether we go to Mexico or not, you know what I'm saying? This is supposed to be a fire car show. Is that actually at a baseball field? So, you know what I'm saying? If you want, even make it easier, I put a flyer right here. It's a quick glimpse. That's a flyer, the event that I'm going to. You know what I'm saying? And I got a couple of my homies that's gonna go with me out like always. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man. Enough of that. Let's get the car on the lift. Let's change the wheels, wash it, and let's go to the event. You know the vibe. So yeah, boys, see I got the wheels off. Right here to the front. And I got my end keys right here. All 4 of them. Time to put on the meaties, you know the vibe. Let's get to it. Alright, boys, you got the wheels are putting on. And you can see ET Street R. I just clean them up. You know, your boy gotta be clean, man. Gotta be clean. So now we're gonna put them on the car, then bring the car down, wash the car, and then we could, you know what I'm saying, get us ready to go to the event. You can see my boy right here washing the car, and look at this. See that? That's that chubby that MG. Right hand drive EG, man. So yeah, got the car on the left. Let's put these wheels on, put this thing down, and give it a quick wash. Alright, y'all boys, got all the wheels, got my wheels and tire on now. Boy, look gangsta. I don't know, I kind of love this wheel setup, man, on this green with the white wheels. Comment down below what y'all think, man. To me, I think that's a good match. But now we got to take the car to the lift, give it a quick wash. You know, I got to put my tire dressing. Make this thing shining, man. So, yeah. Enough of that. Let's get this car for lift. Alright, boys, got the car cleaned up. Can't wash a car without putting tire shine, man. Tire shine is the truth. Make the car look complete. But yeah, got the big boys on. Car clean. Now we just gotta wipe down the bay, clean up the bay real quick. But man, look at that. Look at that. This thing is shining. So yeah, let's open the bonnet and clean up inside a little bit. That's a quick little wipe down, but nothing crazy. But man, this car, no matter how much you wash this car, you don't get tired of washing it, man. This thing always come out looking beautiful. That's it, man. The tire shine is a must. It's a must. So yeah, let me open the bonnet, put you guys a quick little time lapse wiping this stuff down real quick, and then we off to the show. You know the vibe. Yeah, boys. See, when you wash it, water gets everywhere, because I do have the spacer, so water comes underneath, which is not a big deal. So let's wipe this thing down, and you don't know the vibe. Engine bay is clean now, spotless, looking nice. You know, I like my car clean, man. If it ain't clean, it ain't me. So yeah, so now, last thing we gotta do now is throw on the chute. Gotta put on the parachute. You see, got the hole right there. And my cable is right over there. So, let me show you how easy it is. I'll put you guys on a tripod real quick and show you guys how easy it is to put on my parachute in my car. Very easy. Let's go. Guys, that time lapse, very easy. Literally took about like 2 minutes. Not even that long. But yeah, chute is on, cable is on. I always leave my safety pin in. That way, just in case this falls out in the drive, which it don't, but I always just leave it in there just for extra precaution. When I do go to the track, I just take the safety pin out and we ready to lock and roll. So when I'm driving in the street, I always leave the safety pin in. But yeah, I got the car on. I'm gonna show you guys to hear the pump. I'm putting some heat in the motor. Just fired up not too long ago. You see, temperature right now is at what, 104, 105. Oil temp is at 78. So we're still cold, super cold. We're gonna make it warm up, and your boy gotta get dressed. And I catch you guys a quick little time lapse on the way going up to the event now. You know, that's what I do to get my car prepared for these little events. You know what I'm saying? It's not easy. It is time consuming, but I enjoy it going to them because I get to meet people. I get to talk to people. I get to show off my talent that I did to my car. You know what I'm saying? This car was built by me, 100%. Not one soul did anything on this car. I did everything. So it's an honor to go out and show these people something that I created, which is this car right here. Had this car for years. So yeah, I ain't gonna talk too much. Let's give you guys a walk around real quick, show you guys the car is set, ready to jet. And yeah, I'll catch you guys on the time lapse going up to the event. Woo! Oh yeah, boys, away. Got the windows up, chilling with my AC on. On the vibe. But yeah, we'll be there shortly. I'll be the camera when I get there, boys. Alright guys, I'm here. Got a good line. So I decided to put the camera and show you guys. You know what I'm saying? Look at the temperature. Been line for like 15 minutes. What temperature? 179. We're inside, man. We're chilling. Once we get inside, I put the camera back up. You can see got a good bit of line right there. So a couple more cars to go and we'll be inside. I put the camera up once we're inside, y'all boys. Alright, yeah, boys, we're inside. We're inside now. I got a skunk out there, you know. Skunk lifestyle. You know the drip. Yeah, man, that is it. So, yeah, we're outside, my G. Gotta clean the car up a little more and let's get some footage.
Yes, if I see all of that green stuff, think of it.
That I old.
He called Smurf.
That I old one there.
I think that the only all-wheel drive slick out there right now. I think that all the brand. See that? See that? One ugly Smurf, you understand? One ugly Smurf. But me, I tell you, he can do good work on car, I swear. Next two-step goes to the next one.
This thing popping wicked, boy. Wicked.
One time. Last time, alright. So, you might go up, so, and last.
Alright guys, you can see I got a trophy in my hand right here. It was way too much noise at the event. It was playing music, so I couldn't really talk much because you know how YouTube is with the copyright stuff. So couldn't talk much. So now I'm in my area where I can control everything. It's a nice, quiet environment. So I decided to collab a little bit with you guys with what took place because I couldn't talk, like what I mentioned. So got a trophy. This is a trophy said best race inspired. That's what the trophy said. Like I said, this is not a street car. It's not a race car. But I guess when you look at the engine bay and all the stuff that's going on, it probably look like a race car, but it's not. So, like I said, that's, I guess I fall in that category. But it was a good turnout. Man, two-step there. They had this one Lexus. I know you guys saw it by now. If you want to stroll back a little bit and watch it, man, it killed my eardrum. Like, I did it for you guys, man. I wasn't going to record it, but I'm like, man, I wish you guys could feel the wave that two-step, man, is ridiculous. But otherwise, good turnout. Like I said, I couldn't close the video out there. There's way too much noise. There's a lot of commotion going on. You know me. Once all that started going on, I'm ready to get out. So that's what I did. That's why I couldn't close the video out. So now, car's back at the where it sleeps. So, like I said, don't forget, comment down below. What do you guys think? Did my car fit this category of this trophy? I mean, it said 2024 best race car, race inspired. So that's what it is. But I'm grateful I got a trophy, and I just gotta add this one to the collection. I got a whole bunch of them. So maybe if you guys want to see all my trophy, I got a whole bunch. So like I said, now I'm just going to shows and just enjoying it. And if you guys want to see more of this, share the video to your friends, like and subscribe. If you haven't already subscribed, that's right here. I'll put it right here. Let's go over and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? It's free. I keep mentioning it. It's free. It's no charge. To like, it's free. To subscribe, it's free. So do me a favor. If you keep coming back and forth watching the video and you like the content, just subscribe. You know what I'm saying? And hit the notification bell. That way you guys see, you don't got to search. It just pops up on your notification. So enough of that. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate you guys. Love all you guys for the support. And that's what I say, man. I appreciate the way the channel's going. I know we could do better. I know we could do better with the subscribing and watching the video. Don't be selfish. Share this knowledge to everybody. You know what I'm saying? If I could do it, anybody could do it. It doesn't take much. It just takes some time. You know what I'm saying? But enough of that, man. Like, subscribe. If I got another trophy to the collection, you guys could do it too. Build your car and go out and show the world what you built. That's what it's about. And also, I forgot to tell you guys that we didn't get to go to Mexico. Nobody didn't want none. You know what I'm saying? But it is what it is. Like I said, I wasn't prepared, and nobody want to go to Mexico. So I did mention it to you guys. That's why I put my wheels and tires on. You know what I'm saying? Just in case anybody want no smoke. Like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. I'm out. Peace.
Prestige Motor.